Hello, John. This is May. I am with the Business Loyalty Program, a solution provider. Your account alerted me regarding an expired promotion or devices. I would like to review your bill and equipment log to see if you are maximizing the full promotional rate and most updated device. This can save you an average of 10 to 15% of your monthly bill. You can call me back or text me at 619-882-8940. Once again, this is May, and that number is 619-882-8940. Thank you for being a loyal customer, and I am looking forward to talking with you soon. Hi, I'm May Vanessa Siquina, graduated as Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering in the University of Southeastern Philippines. I have something to share with you during my working in the Cebu Mitsumi. One of the production runs falling behind our daily quota because of the output that is inconsistent. So I quickly reviewed the monitoring log. So I found out that there is a miscalibrated after the maintenance. So I called the maintenance department to recalibrate the sensor. Within an hour, we had accurate data restored, and the team was able to realign our process. So my quick response is both data accuracy and production continuity under pressure.